custom exhaust. Let this down. Tailpipe's already off. For anyone who wants to know what a cat delete looks like. A cat delete, there's the housing. And there's inside. As you can see, no more honeycomb of death. I used a piece of rebar and a hammer and beat the shit out of it until you get all that screen, and used a shot vac, sucked it out. Pretty clean though. Don't pay a mechanic to do that shit, do it yourself. It's fucking easy. You know that fucking roller thing. There's my tubes I'm using. I just mocked it up a little bit. Using the series Flowmasters. I got this sick ass pipe from JY, 2.5 inch man drop in. Comes with 2 U-turns, 2 elbows. Two 90s. And 2 3'11" pieces. 3'11" each. For $95, free shipping. And I ordered it Friday and I got it today, Monday. So yeah, I'm gonna see what happens.